Focus on your breathing by taking deep, cleansing breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In and out. In and out. With every breath, you relax a little more. The muscles in your face begin to relax. Then the neck muscles and your shoulder muscles begin to relax. All the stress and tension and anxiety leave you. Your arms relax. Your back and the muscles in your torso relax. All the stress is draining away into the earth. The muscles in your buttocks and your hips relax. All the tensions and anxiety are leaving your body. The muscles in your thighs relax. Next, the muscles in your lower legs relax. Finally, your ankles and feet relaxed. You are in a state of complete relaxation and happiness. You are receptive to what the world has opened for you. Now imagine yourself outside in the morning. You can feel the sun's warming rays on your face. You see the green of the lush leaves on the trees and feel the lush grass underneath your feet. You can hear the little animals scurrying about. You can feel the dew of the morning kiss your skin. There is a gentle breeze blowing, and you can hear the leaves in the trees rustling. You feel nature all around you. You are calm. You are centered. You are at peace. You are safe. You are warm. You look up in the sky to Father Sky, and you notice a singular ray of sunlight reaching out just to you. And you open yourself to Father Sky, to that sun energy. That ray of sun beams down right on you and fills you with that golden sunlight, fills every cell of your body of divine love from Father Sky. And then that divine light goes through your body, down through your feet, and into Mother Earth. You feel and can see that ray of light, that ray of sunlight from Father Sky reach down through the topsoil, through the rock and loam, through bedrock, through crystals and caverns, until it reaches the Earth's core, the molten core that is the essence and the power of Mother Earth. And she opens up to you and reaches out to you. You open yourself to Mother Earth's energy. And she sends her energy up through that column of light, her warm green energy of Mother Earth. It comes back up through the layers of the earth and into your feet. And that green Mother Earth energy mixes with that of Father Sky. And the glowing green and gold energies of Mother Earth and Father Sky pulsate in your body until they form a shifting ball of yin and yang energy at your heart. You realize that this ball of energy can be moved anywhere in your body simply by a thought from you. Now, by just a thought, move that ball of sky and earth energy down into your dominant hand. You can feel it tingle as it moves down your arm into that hand. Now, make that ball move back up. Move back up that arm, back to your heart. Now have it move down your other arm into your other hand. That's right. Now move it back up your arm, and back up to your heart. Now, those ever-shifting energies become a singular ball, and they dissipate and become one with you. Those energies are there for you to call upon at any time. They keep you calm, they keep you centered, and they keep you one with the universe. Now, whenever you are ready, start to come back to your mundane senses. On the count of 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.